For this video, we will be demonstrating basic cleaning methods to keep your line matrix printer looking new. For this process, you will need a soft lint-free cloth, a window cleaner, a non-abrasive brush, and a vacuum. We recommend a toner vac with a HEPA filter. In order to keep your printer running smoothly, clean your printer every 6 months or 1,000 usage hours. If the printer is located in a dusty environment or is used for heavy-duty printing, cleaning more often may be necessary. Before performing any cleaning, please make sure to disconnect your printer from its power source. Clean the outside of the printer and window with a mild window cleaner. Make sure to always apply cleaner to cloth first, not directly onto the printer. Wipe thoroughly. Over time, paper dust and ink build up and should be removed. Most accumulation occurs around the ends of the platen and ribbon path. Fully raise the platen lever and open tractor doors to unload the paper. Then close once paper is removed. Remove the ribbon cartridge and carefully lift the ribbon out of the ribbon path. Brush the paper dust and ribbon lint off the tractors, shuttle cover assembly, and base casting with a soft bristled non-metallic brush. Using your toner vacuum, carefully vacuum up the residue. For additional cleaning tips, see the Administrator's Manual. Thank you for watching Basic Printer Cleaning Techniques. If you need additional assistance, please contact your service representative.